When we say that the customer is king, it's not an empty platitude. We mean it. Come home to Ireland and the United Kingdom's finest door ever, the Palladio Door Collection. All our doors start their life as a real oak timber door. We lift the grain from the original oak door using a gel mould and then transfer the grain detail onto a Palladio composite door to ensure all our doors have the most natural grain finish. This video entails the journey of Catherine, a homeowner just like you. Based in Mullingar, Catherine had a faulty door that she couldn't wait to bid goodbye to.
Hi, my name is Catherine, and today, after much research and perseverance, I'm finally getting my dream door installed. I can't believe I've never seen their brochure before. They've got so many amazing designs and styles to choose from that you're really spoiled for choice. I'm so looking forward to seeing the back of my old door. As you can see, my previous door needed a lot more than some TLC. It was old and worn out and the handle kept getting stuck. I'm so happy now with my new door. I'm delighted with the colour and the style I chose. I think it's lovely and it's really bright. My friend was complaining that she has to keep painting her front door because it keeps fading. Well, Palladio doors come with a renolette file finish, so they're not painted, so I don't have to worry about the door ever fading again. Palladio doors come with a 12-year warranty guarantee alongside a 5-year anti-corrosion stainless steel door furniture warranty for all their doors and glass. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much to Palladio Doors and Lakeland Interiors. I'm just over the moon with my new door.